So hello, good afternoon guys. For today I'll be showing you how to make a simple screwdriver cocktail. First, get your glass. Since we're gonna do it special, let's use a Cossack vodka. So we get one shot of this. Some ice. We want it cold and chilled because it's a hot afternoon. Then, some fresh orange juice. There. Some slices of lime, since we don't have fresh orange fruit for now. Just put it in. And garnish with a lime. Then an eco-friendly straw. So here we have it. Your screwdriver. Let's take a sip. Whoa, invigorating.